You've probably seen these horizontal reels all over your feed. They are blowing up, and it's extremely easy for anyone to do. Let's create a color matte. Right click, new item, color matte. I'm using this beige color. Let's create a soft, stylish vibe that works perfectly for typography. Now let's create the main text. Use the type tool and write your text. For the color, I'm using a matted green. The colors work perfectly together, giving your typography a sharp professional look. Here's a small color collection you can pause and screenshot. After that, create the next text, scale it to fit, then duplicate it. Hold Alt and drag it to copy. Change the position and edit the text however you want for your final typography layout. Now let's organize our layers, and then for the main text, go to Effect and search for Transform and drag it into the text. Do the same thing for Gaussian blur. In Effect Controls, move about 5 frames forward and add keyframes for blurriness, position, and opacity. Set the blurriness to 0, then go back to the beginning and change the blurriness to 20, drop the position down, opacity to 0. Select all the keyframes, right click and choose Ease In, Ease Out. Open the graph editor and try to smooth the animation for all of them. Then add your audio or voiceover and try to match your text with the timing. For the third text, let's make it different. Search for crop and add it to the text. Cut every word to match your voiceover. Select the first word, go to Effect Control, crop, and hide all the words except the first one. Do the same thing for each word. If I play this back, the words enter one by one. Match it perfectly the audio. It's simple, but it makes everything look clean and professional. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!